nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, something very easy and tasty and Italian. We're going to make carbonara, courgette carbonara, zucchini carbonara. We need just few ingredients. I'm gonna make spaghetti, but you can use any pasta, penne, fusilli, any pasta you have. I already cut some courgette, you know, dice it, just normal. And I'm gonna use 2 eggs, 2 yolks. It's just for this. And I'm gonna cut some nice guanciale. Okay? What we're gonna do? The water is already on gas. Guys, this is very quickly. The guanciale I'm gonna cut. Because here is not easy to find, to be honest. I cut some guanciale, I cut like this. You're not gonna be precise. Later you add the amount you like. What I'm doing now? Pasta already in, because this was so quickly. Okay? I'm gonna do just the plate for the video. And now add just a little touch of oil, because the pancetta, the guanciale, gonna give some, okie dokie. Soon we're gonna add the courgette, okay? The pasta gonna be al dente and later we're gonna finish that. Guys, just, I will say, my partner say I said so many times just. I'm sorry, guys, if I say just many times. But anyway, I add the courgette. This is half courgette, you know, this for 1 plate. Touch of salt and the pepper, okay? This guy's gonna cook around 2 minutes. The guanciale, I will make crispy, but not too crispy because later it's too hard, okay? And when the pasta is ready, we're gonna add here, we save some water, because the very important thing is water. In the end, I'm gonna show you when we mix with the egg how important this is water, okay? Always guys, if you like this video, share with a friend, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now 1 minute, I turn it off and I'm gonna show you when we're gonna add the spaghetti inside, okay? Gonna be absolutely al bacio. Okay guys, my pasta is ready, very al dente. The gas is already on here. Now we take the pasta, very well, like this, because we're gonna cook a little bit here. Okay? This is basically the most important part when we wanna mix the egg, okay? Now we mix a little bit, just to give some flavor, add some water. I think 3 spoons of this, very good. In the same time, take your yolk and just mix a little bit, okay? Someone add some salt and pepper, it's not a bad idea. Yeah, oh yeah. Guys, the smell already is so nice. I will add another of this, the yolk inside. And guys, it's very important, turn it off, flame, start mix everything, and add some water. Yeah, 1, maybe 2, okay? And mix. Yeah, the pasta gonna absorb the water and gonna melt all the flavor with eggs, pancetta. Guys, the job is done here. Oh yeah, fantastic. Oh, ready to service. Okay, beautiful. Now you know what I do. This is my personal, but I recommend you. It's very, very nice. A nice black pepper. It's just like that. How many times I say just? Oh yeah, fantastic. Guys, absolutely wow. Guys, my carbonara courgette in less than 10 minutes is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!